Hi, I'm CarolineTurnerCole. Welcome to the business of storytelling. Today, we're dropping into the copy world. Let's go. Well, hello, my creative professional humans. Hi. Hi, artists. Hi, making that living online, scraping for pennies, making art in our communities, trying to contribute to the world in a positive way. You're doing it. It's okay. If you're an aspiring copywriter, getting together a portfolio for the first time, it can be a little confusing to know what you should include. So, ultimately, this is going to be about quality over quantity. Of course, you'd rather have fewer excellent samples than a ton of random stuff that you can kind of do. Don't just send everything you've written in a Google document to prospective clients. Instead, if you are creating the ultimate quality over quantity selection of perfect pieces to showcase potential clients, then you want to always include these 6 essential copy samples. Let's jump in. First, you need a complete sales funnel. So this includes Facebook and Instagram ad copy. You want to showcase some catchy headlines, some short, punchy sentences that get people to pause their scroll and click. Then the next part of the funnel is that landing page copy. This is where the people click from that ad to. So this is a little bit longer, around 500 words, that convinces people to give over their email address in exchange for some sort of freebie. That might be a webinar, PDF download, quiz results, free audit, etc. The landing page. The next level of the funnel is a marketing email series. So once your client obtains that all-important email address, what are they gonna do with it? Well, they're gonna send them emails like the excellent ones, the samples that you have in your portfolio. So your email series should be between 3 and 9 total emails using compelling storytelling that drives people to learn more about a brand or perhaps an exclusive one-time offer that the client has put together. That exclusive one-time offer will then be explored in the next part of the sales funnel, which is the sales page. The sales page educates the reader on and expounds on the benefits of your client's offer. It keeps the readers engaged all the way down to the buy button. So that is a complete sales funnel, and you want to have that in your portfolio. You want to have the short little ads that you start with, and then a little bit longer landing page, a 3 to 9 email series that really expands upon and intrigues your reader into clicking over to that sales page where they learn a ton about the offer and they just can't resist it and they scroll all the way to the bottom, or maybe there's a buy button at the top for the eager beavers. The second kind of sample that you want in your copywriting portfolio is scripts. A lot of people don't include these, but you want script variations. These are for advertisements for 15, 30, and 60-second ads because headphones are so common. So why not have your writing being read aloud by a voice actor on an ad? So whether your client is using a voiceover artist to record the script, or if they have someone who reads it live on camera, these short scripts grab attention with more than just words. They're gonna grab attention with the power of the voice. So this is a really awesome writing sample that you can have in your portfolio. And the final writing sample that I recommend is a video sales letter script. These are so hot right now. And they're so different from a regular sales page. So it's a completely different skill for you to showcase. It's a completely different voice than the written word. It's gotta sound natural, compelling, and most importantly, personal. So those are the 6 things I've got for you. Y'all are beautiful humans, and I'm so glad that you're here. I love you so much, and I can't wait to see you next week. Until then, don't forget to connect below, please. Shoot me a little message. Hop on over to Instagram at CarolineCole Stories. I love connecting with you guys. Let me know where you came from. And it's so great. Make sure you subscribe. What are the words? Like, comment, subscribe, and all of that fun stuff. All right, friends, I'm Caroline Cole. This is The Business of Storytelling, and I'll see you next Thursday. Bye.